Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color Underwater LED Pool Light. Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Automated Color Changing Pool and Spa Lights feature LED technology is the wave of the future in energy efficiency, lifetime value, quality of light, and controllability. With IntelliBrite 5G, combinations of individual colored LEDs are mixed and matched to achieve a vibrant spectrum of colors. These combinations are power sequenced to illuminate and cycle through colors at varying speeds and in different sequences of color. Features: superior lens geometry distributes light in an optimum way to avoid hot spots on the pool bottom. Light intensity and color are distributed more uniformly throughout your pool. Lens can be rotated to 180 degrees to provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern. Wattage: 26 watts. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.